Every 4 years, we get asked this question. Okay, we have an election coming. Who is better for the stock market or the economy? And so this is a very complicated question. I'm going to make it as simple as I can. So I'll first start off with the stock market. Companies who are publicly traded really are going to move forward regardless whether it's a Democrat or a Republican. Let's just take Tim Cook of Apple. He may have his preference. He'll vote one or the other. But if the president that he nominated or voted for does not win, Apple is not going to stop growing because that administration was not who Tim Cook wanted. So I want you to think about it a little bit in a broader picture than just one aspect of it. We all have our preferences, and that's okay. But if your plan is based on just the stock market, you are going to have a very difficult time, because if the person you voted for does not win, you can't exactly shut everything down. So I have a suggestion for you. Instead of looking at it just from that window, I want you to sit down with your advisor. Look at all the aspects of the economy, not just the stock market. Because one of the things that we need to consider, or we should all know, is the stock market is not reliable day to day, week to week, or month to month. It is over a long period of time. And everyone has seen the stock market rise under Republicans and Democrats. So it's not just which administration. So I'm not saying you shouldn't vote for the right party or the right person. I am saying your plan should be on a broader perspective than just that. So one of the things that you need to consider is making sure your taxes are kept under control. The second thing is your internal costs should be kept as low as possible. The third, you should have money that is safe, so when markets do get compressed, you have something to rely on and you're not selling as the markets are going down. The other thing you should consider is Roth conversions. Oh my goodness, regardless of who's in office, you should focus on keeping your taxes as low as possible moving forward. Income planning, regardless of who wins the presidency, should be considered so that you allow your stocks to grow over that time frame. Making sure your long-term care is in place also. And last but not least, your wealth transfer. Having your beneficiaries reviewed, making sure that they're updated, so that as this passes on to your heirs or the charities or whoever you wish, is done in a tax-efficient manner. So if you focus on those things, yes, the presidency matters, but not so much just for the stock market or what's going to happen over the next few months. We've seen markets go up and down regardless of administration, because it's focused on what the consumer is doing much more than the administration. If you have questions regarding this, if you have any questions regarding any financial topic, please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for tuning in.